Good morning, everybody. How are you? So, happy Wednesday. This is the day before we leave for Florida for our trip down to Orlando. And so I am doing some last minute preparations here at home. I'm getting laundry done, getting packed up, getting some work stuff done. I'm going to have lunch with my parents today. I have lessons this afternoon. So there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. So you guys are going to come with me to see all of the pre-Orlando/Disney preparations, including a little bit of packing. If you guys are interested in a full packing video, I will have a link to that in the description of this video, as well as the cards wherever those go, so you guys can see everything that we are pack muling down to Florida. It's a fun time. So anyway, let's get going. So I've got to drop this little envelope in the mailbox today because I have to send it to one of my essential oil family members before we leave, because we're stopping our mail. So I can't put it out tomorrow or else it's not going to go anywhere for a week. I'm going to go get that out here now. And then I'm going to come back inside and really try to pare down my packing, because our suitcases are pretty much almost at that 50-pound mark. And I got 3 of them. It's a little excessive. This first suitcase is legit 45 pounds, which seems ridiculous, but it is my husband's clothes. This is literally all of the clothes that he is bringing. And then on this side, I think I probably put the same, but if you don't think that already, you know, that's fine. It's just our toiletries. So it's like our toiletries here. We've got some cleaning stuff here, and then I've got some canned goods here, and this might be adding to the problem. So I think I'm actually going to pare some of these down. In Florida, we've had a very hard time finding mandarin oranges that have compliant ingredients for my husband's special diet. So I have 6 cans of mandarin oranges here, and I think I might pare it down to 3, and then we're just gonna figure something else out while we're down there. I don't know. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take 3 of these out because I still have a couple of toiletries left to add to this bag. So I don't know, we gotta pare it down somehow. Look at that. So that took it down to about 38 pounds just by taking out those 3 cans. So that's good. So now if I have anything else that I have to put in there, I've got 12 pounds left before this entire suitcase is over the weight limit. So that's pretty awesome. If you guys are interested in these suitcases, they're by a company called Mirax, and you can get them on Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and you can get, it's a set of 3. So here's the large size suitcase, and then they have a medium size suitcase, which is about yay tall. And then they also have a carry-on size luggage. So it's a really a good deal for a set of 3 hard-sided. They're spinner wheels, which is really convenient for going through the airport. And then they also have locking zipper lock here that you can use. It is TSA friendly. That's what this little thing here is, but be super careful, because if you bring something that's weird and they want to check your suitcase, they can get in here with their little, I guess it's like a magnet or something. I'm not exactly sure that opens this. But when we were down in Florida in May, when we got our suitcases back, we used our little combination and we couldn't get the zipper pulls out. And they searched our bag. What happened is they reset our lock by accident. I'm sure it wasn't on purpose. But Mr. Simple Life had to go through all of the combinations to open our bag up again, which was delightful. I think I did it. That seems like an awful lot of suitcases, I know, but you can see the sets now. This is what a complete set looks like. So we have a large, a medium, and a super duper small. So what it's going to work out to being is this is full of food. So this will be empty when we're done. This is full of some other stuff that we're going to be finished with, frozen meat and things like that. So when we come home, this is going to nest inside of that. So when we come home, we'll only have 3 suitcases. But we have, of course, my husband's clothes and my clothes between the 2 suitcases. And then we have toiletries in one. We've got some cleaning supplies in one. I've got the little skillet that I use to cook up some things, and yada yada. So this is what we're dealing with. Plus we have our little personal carry-on bags, but those are going to be super duper light, with just like a purse pretty much. So this one's 31 pounds. This one's 35 pounds. This one is so far 21 pounds, but frozen meat's going in there when we leave. And then this one is just full, but it's super duper light. Like, it's not, you know, a huge deal. So that's not over the limit either. So I think I think this is what we got. And if you want to see how I packed those, check the cards and the description below. I do have a packing video that you guys can see. So at this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and get some lunch together because I'm going to take that to my parents' house today. And then I'm going to come back, do about maybe a half hour of cleaning, and that's all the cleaning my house is going to get. Then I've got some lessons this evening and last minute preparations before we leave tomorrow. All right, guys, thank you all for joining me today for our pre-Orlando/Disney prep. Tomorrow's travel day, so I'll see you all tomorrow.